Nag-shopping na naman ang akong banana. Let me see if they have it. Okay, I'll stay here. Iniiwan ako, guys. Kuha tayo nito, guys, para namang na-miss ko itong bread na ito. Ito po yung Hawaiian. Uy, why is it two? Why you get two? Seriously, honey? Magtataka pa ba kayo kung bakit ako maluluka sa mga pinagagawa ni Mister? Ito po yung mga dahilan, guys. Hindi pa enough. Kailangan daw niya, ganyan siya. Hindi siya, komportable sa isa. Pwede 3, 2, 4. Ganyan yun siya. At hindi pa, iba-ibang klase, dagdagan pa. O, diba? At kumuha din ako ng ay croissant kasi alam nyo naman yan, paborito natin. So, ang lakad po namin ngayon talaga is naghanap siya ng karne. Yung mga sale ba? Pero wala man dito sa Veggies, doon sa regular tindahan. Pero tingin-tingin pa rin siya dito kasi talagang gustong-gusto niyang bumibili lalo na pagka-Christmas na. Yeah. I put it in on the charcoal ba? Charcoal, love. Charcoal. Yung presyo na steak na yun, guys, is talagang $50 yun. At bumili siya ng pork. Bumili din kami ng mga butter dito na. At yun, hindi niya nagustuhan yung kinuha ko. So, pumili siya ng mas mura-mura. O, diba? Makapamura ka talaga sa mga presyuhan dito. At nagutom na ako, no? Ang dami pagkain yung mga binibili namin. Plus, hindi merian gutom na gutom. At mayroon chocolate, guys, kasi ang sugar, mag-collapse tayo at matutumba at matitigok. Charot. Lang mi direct nagkuha sa mga gusto, no? Kumuha din pala siya ng pork, guys, na parang lutoon daw mamayang gabi. Yung mga binibiling ko kanya, guys, ipamigay niya yun doon sa trabaho niya ng mga trabahante doon daw sa building, mga bababait daw ng mga bata. Mga bata, guys. Halatang tigulang din niya akong asawa. So, dahil wala siyang nabiling karne dito, guys, at yun talaga yung nilakad niya. So, nagpunta kami sa ShopRite kasi meron silang mga sale na mga karne. So, si Mr. naman dito, guys, ang saya-saya niya. At yun, hindi na nga ako hinintay dito at hindi na ako nakabili ng gusto ko kasi nga, yun, hindi ako nakabili ng kamote. Kamote lang yung ko dito at itong squid. Ang squid talaga is pinunta namin dito at saka yung sale na karne. Guys, ang saya-saya ni Mr. Tignan nyo naman yan. O, tignan nyo yung karne na yan. Si Mr. talaga is isa siya sa tao na mahilig sa karne. He's happy. Are you happy?
I am.
These aren't the ones that are on sale.
This one. How about not this one? You're looking for a big one?
Yeah, I was looking, but I'm not too keen on this side.
Oh.
I want a four.
Yeah.
Oh, you can ask him. You can ask him.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Yep, that's it.
One kilo small one?
Yeah.
These are the $5.99 ones?
Yes, ma'am.
Kikita po ninyo, guys, mga tao talaga talaga sila magbili talaga ng maraming mga prime rib kasi mag-sale talaga, guys. Kung hindi kayo bibili ng prime rib, guys, ang mahal-mahal. Dapat talaga this time is bibili kayo kasi makamura kayo.
I guess I gotta cut the bone off first.
Oh, you don't cut the bone?
He cut the bone off. Oh, yes.
Okay. So, this is really makes him happy, guys. So, what?
Don't let her kid you guys. Makes her happy. She said, "Oh, you don't mind? I'm gonna have these steaks out of my friends, and they gotta have the steaks, and everybody got steaks, and it's all good." So it's only me.
It's just you because no one really come here, honey. Oh. Right here. Bonbon. At dahil nagkat si Tami ng steak, ito yung dinner namin, pork. Because we don't really wanna eat steak. So this is a really nice marbly steak. Ang ganda ng nabili ni Mr. kasi kapag mayroon silang mga sale pag Christmas, guys, 4 na buto, 2 buto, 7 na buto. Ito 7 lang ang buto nito, and then si Tami talaga kailangan mong magpunta sa butcher. At ngayon siya yung nagka-cut kasi kahapon or the other day ako yung nag-cut, pero ngayon sabi niya siya lang daw kasi gusto daw niya perfect yung pag-cut. Mali pala yung pag-cut ko, pag-cut natin properly, guys, kasi Tami doesn't do it properly. And I got him this, and he should do like this. Line up. Nice one, hun. Oh, very nice. I really want to go outside and grill. So, the best time kasi magbili ng mga ganito, December, kasi nag-sale talaga sila. If it's not on sale, hun, it's very pricey, right? Yeah. This is 200, how much?
Almost $300.
Almost $300. The one that I showed you, it's already the price of this is 200, almost 290. And then there's another discount that was 221, and then another discount it's like 100. What is it? 135. So almost 300, and you ang nagastos mo lang is 135. It's still a lot of money, but look at this. If you buy this in the store individually, it's a lot of money, right?
Yes.
So yun. So kung gusto niyo mag-save, ngayon na, takbo sa ShopRite or sa Stop and Shop. That's it.
What do we got here?
Right
Not
here.
many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Really, we should have 26 at this.
Okay, can you get it a little
Thinner.
thinner? That's fine, honey. There's a lot of fat over here too. Look, oh, there's a lot of fat. People trim the fat.
Makes them cook better. You can trim some of the fat off, don't you?
Huh?
You can trim some of the fat off like this corner.
Yeah,
That's a waste.
I know. You're right here though, on this side.
Ganito kasi yung istorya guys, yung price nito is mahal per pound. I think almost $10 per pound. Ito na lang 5 something per pound. So ang binta po nito talaga is mahal. And then dalawa yung discount niya. And then may limit yung pagbili. Dito sa ShopRite, isa yung limit. Sa Stop and Shop naman is dalawa ang limit. So kaya si Mr. silipat siya ng tindahan para makarami. O diba? Pagka-lurky.
Itong si Tami, no? Paluma-luma o bili-bili ng mga ano. And then ako, pinabayaan lang ako dito. Andun sa labas, nagtikirong. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa. So ngayon nahihirapan na ako nito kung paano ito guys. Aroy. So ang gagawin ko, ilabas ko dito. Meron pang steak dito, oh. Ilabas ko ito. Ito. Kasi ito yung old. Ayun ako, iwan ko naman ito naman. Ang sakit. Wala akong gloves dito. Ang gloves ko is din sa parahian. I'm telling you, Lloydie, Brenda, punta kayo dito. Yung gabi, kasi masarap ito sa dinner or mga daytime. Pangit ng luto. Dinner. Punta kayo dito, dinner. Anong year ito? This year, oh. This year, pero parang mga, ano ko talaga. Agaray, ang sakit. So, ito yung gagawin ko, guys. Ilagay ko dito yung mga bago. Ito yung realidad ng buhay ko, guys. Tingnan nyo, siya nagpahayahay lang doon. No? Ito yung pinakaayaw ko, yung andito ako sa refrigerator, sa freezer pala. And then, siya doon nanigarilyo, kag-usap sa kaibigan. No? Kailangan kong i-ano ito kasi para magkasya kasi naku, iwan ko na lang. Kasyahin. Iniwan ako mag-isa. Sabi ko sa kanya, tulungan mo naman ako doon sa baba. Kasi ang ginaw-ginaw. Ilagay ko dito yung kahapon. Aray, sakit. Aray, sakit. Ouch. Agay guys. Agay. Sakit. Agay. Han, you're leaving me like I'm a... What?
He said, you know what? You're not waiting.
Han, so you know what, Han? You know what? You're not nice.
Get it out. Hold on. I'm not leaving you. You decided to come down here without me. Let me get it now. You're going to feed your fingers and you're going to piss off these.
I did already all the new one here. Okay,
The
everything.
new one should be on the bottom, actually.
It's the bottom here.
Okay.
What?
That's what I said. Hold on, don't just throw stuff up here yet. We'll put more stuff up here. This is the side that these because they have a little more room, so you can make it a little higher on this side. Where's the older one? This older?
Yeah, this is older.
Or is this USA?
No, that's not easy. Oh, my hand is really done. Don't bury the sausage, Han. This one is a waste.
Why is it a waste? You like it? It's not a waste. Right.